Ever spend hours trying to get your design team and developers on the same page? With Claude Fable 5 and BuilderOS integration, you can create a unified design system that streamlines your design workflow and improves collaboration. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a design system for a fictional e-commerce company, Green Earth. To get started, you need to connect Claude Fable 5 to BuilderOS. This involves configuring API keys and setting up the integration. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's walk through the process step by step. Now that we have the integration set up, let's create some design system components. We'll define the components and use Claude Fable 5 to generate the code. This will save us a lot of time and ensure consistency across our design. One of the biggest mistakes people make when creating design systems is forgetting to update the design system. This can lead to outdated components being used, which can cause inconsistencies in the design. Let's see what happens when we forget to update the design system. To avoid the mistakes we talked about earlier, it's essential to keep the design system up to date and use version control. This will ensure that everyone is working with the latest components and that changes are tracked.